Yes, yes, yes. We are here with a brand new eating candy video. Today, this caught my eye. I was like, wait, what? Ices makes cookies. I have to buy them. So I'm here to share and give my honest thoughts. My first time taste testing Icee cookies. I have the red flavor and the blue flavor. So red versus blue today. Let's get this started. How do I even open these? I'm used to them being open right here, but I guess that's not the case. But check that out. This is cherry flavor. This is blue raspberry. I want to see if it tastes like ice. Let's open this up. Wow, it smells like ice. Wow. I wish you guys could smell this. First time in the history of Icee cookies. Alright, we're gonna open this side. Wow, it's amazing how they smell just like Icee. It's like, what is going on? Give you guys a closer look. Look at that. It's kind of like this side. You see, it has the logo of Icee, and this side looks like a character. Yeah, I'm not sure what character that is, but let me know down below. What character is that? Oh, is that the bear? I think that's the polar bear. That's on the Icee, but red versus blue. Put it together. Alright, let's try it. Oh, it's sweet. It tastes like raspberry. Has a kick of flavor for sure. Wow, there's a little tartness to it. Now let's try this cherry. Wow, they both have a lot of flavor. It tastes just like the flavors. Wow, that's so cool. So far, I like the cherry flavor the best. Cherry. Maybe I'm biased. Wow. It definitely has like a tartness, like aftertaste. It's really sweet. Looks like my tongue has chosen the blue flavor the best. But let's open up one. That's the filling. Let's taste that. It definitely tastes like the Icee for sure. They have that down, so they did a great job. So if you like Icees, you have to go grab these cookies. All these candy companies and treat companies, they're all venturing off into different things. Wouldn't be surprised if Icee comes out with like Icee Bites, like, you know, like the Starburst and Skittles or Airheads. How they have like chewable candies. I could see Icee making some of those Icee candies. Red versus blue. Man, it has like a sour like kick to it. Aftertaste. It says poppin' fizz of a classic Icee. Wow, it does have a little kick to it. That's your blue raspberry Icee. Oh, there's the kick. It's like a fizz, but it's not a fizz. But it's like a flavor that hits you after or later. It's definitely interesting. I'm so thankful and happy I was able to try this for you guys. I love all your kind words, all your sweet comments on this sweet eating channel. I love you. I appreciate you. Keep working hard. Keep pushing for greatness. Keep God first. Keep God in your heart. Read His Word and have a relationship with God. Don't have a religion, have a relationship. Communicate. Go to Him with your problems. Go to Him with your successes. Like He's your best friend, but He's the Heavenly Father. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.